Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Wildwood FSX travel trailers. The FSX lineup has an interesting split as it features nearly 50% toy haulers in its current production. The toy hauler models range in length from approximately 22 to 32.5 foot and weigh 3,200 to 5,600 pounds. The non-toy hauler models are smaller, coming in at 22 to 23 foot long, and weights range from about 3,000 to 3,800 pounds. Let's go over the floor plans, starting with the single axle models. All the non-toy hauler floor plans in the FSX lineup are single axle. If you're looking for a model with bunks, you'll essentially have three layouts to choose from. The 177BH is a non-slide model with single stacked bunks and a corner fixed queen bed. The 178BHS changes from single bunks to double stacked bunks and adds a slide out U dinette, providing more interior space, but also adding around 450 pounds. The 179DBK has double stacked bunks, a campsite dinette, and queen size Murphy bed in place of the corner queen. The 170SS is the heaviest of the single axle models, and although it is technically a couples model, it does have a bonus bunk if guests need to stay the night. It also features a super slide with a sofa and U dinette. There is also the 167RB, which is a rear bath couples model featuring a campsite dinette and queen size Murphy bed. The last of the single axle floor plans is actually a toy hauler with a kitchen, dry bath, and fixed queen bed up front. It is the ideal size for a motorcycle or a quad. The rest of the toy haulers in the FSX lineup are double axle models with larger garage space and a ramp that can be used as a patio. The 210RT garage space is a little over 13 foot long and almost 4 foot wide at its narrowest point. This unit also features a walk-around queen bed and a private bedroom, and like the other double axle models, it also has two flip-down sofas and a larger movable table in the garage area. If you're looking for a more open garage to fit your UTV, then you'll want to look at either the 260RT or 280RT. With the average size of a side-by-side UTV being approximately 10 foot by about 64 inches, give a few inches of course, both of these models will have enough space to make it work. The 260RT has a 160 inch by 70 inch garage, walk-through bathroom, and private bedroom with a queen bed. The 280RT has a 135 inch by 93 inch garage that is separated from the living space by the bathroom. The living space also features a slide-out U dinette and queen-size Murphy bed. The Wildwood FSX also has first-rate standard amenities like electric self-adjusting brakes, a friction hinge entrance door, solid step system with aluminum tread, and 78-inch interior standing height. The FSX also has solar prep, so you can plug in portable panels to keep your batteries topped off, and backup camera prep, so you can easily install a camera to make sure you're not hitting anyone or anything when backing up. The double axle models also get the patio deck with railing as a standard option, meaning that you gain over 46 square foot of additional usable camp space. If you so choose, you can opt for the Platinum Edition option, which upgrades the trailer to smooth fiberglass exterior walls, a platinum graphics package, and upgraded steel wheels. The Wildwood FSX has some great floor plans for both toy haulers and camping travel trailers, with the features you need and not all the expensive and oftentimes unnecessary bells and whistles. Whether you're looking for a small and lightweight trailer or plan on hauling your side-by-side UTV in a 32-foot toy hauler, the Wildwood FSX has something for you.